Hello, Assalamu alaikum students. Wait, let all the students join the class. Please open video, everyone. Zainab, better do recitation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر إن شانئك هو الأبتر صدق الله العظيم.
Today we'll be doing the language word, so I want anyone to pick up the language copy and your anthology book, page number 16. Oxford International English. Take out the language copy. Second topic of grammar, we will do pronouns. What was the last work we did in the copy? Everyone, please open video. Zaina, what we did last in the language copy, bete?
It's a question and answers. Question number 1 and 2.
An international school student now?
Yes.
Okay. Ali Ahmed, Asha, please open video, please, bete. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Whenever you wish to ask any question, come up, you have to raise hand from Zoom option. Kindly use Zoom option to raise hand. So I'm sharing the screen. Look at that carefully. Open the language copy. Open the book. This is our today's topic. Write date. Write date in your language copy. Write topic below the red line and start doing it. I'll make you understand what are pronouns and why do we use it. Class 6 student, why they are joining the class right now? Everyone make the adding and all that. Let me make them understand. Arif bete, it's year 5. Year 5 blog is going on. You are in year 6, my dear. Go join Miss Laiba right now. Miss Laiba is taking blog in year 6. Yes, everyone, take out copy. Get ready. Ahmed Afzal, please. Get ready. And Kirat bete, please don't message me personally all the time, bete. Avoid sending message in WhatsApp. Too many messages you send in WhatsApp group, bete. During the class time, ask the question whatever you wish to ask, please. I did not restrict anyone. अच्छा बेटा जो भी क्वेश्चन हुआ करे ना, just example Zainab, Shamir, they all ask in the class. Papa, they all ask in the class. So you should also ask the question in the class. Okay, all students are allowed to speak up in the class. They can ask questions during the class timings, please. And now I'm not taking any class at 4 p.m. ठीक है ना, 4 बजे आपकी अब कोई क्लास नहीं होती क्लास 5 की. Clear? You have the new timetable. Follow new timetable now. Don't log in at 4. Please. आप कोई भी 4 बजे लॉग इन नहीं करेगा. आपकी टाइमिंग सुबह 8 बजे से स्टार्ट होती है, सुबह 8 से until 12:45 1:45 तक आपकी क्लास होगी. बीच में आपको ब्रेक टीचर्स देंगी. You have the timing with you. You have the timetable with you. Kindly follow the schedule, please. Fine. Don't continuously ask in the personal message, Miss, what is the next block? When do you take the class? This all are the rough questions, bete. Please don't ask me the whole day. And try to avoid sending message at late night. Especially Kirat, आप बेटे, आप बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं देखनी है, कुछ नहीं देखनी बेटे, और you continuously message. Please avoid it. अभी आप सारी कंफ्यूजन जो भी हो ना बेटे अभी पूछ लीजिएगा. Teacher will clear. I will try my level best to speak with you as much I can. ठीक है dear? Because I ask everyone to ask question with me during the class time. And please, Uzaifa, Ahmad Afzal, Ali Ahmad, Aisha, Aima, and Sameer, open video. Sameer, you log in with the 2 IDs. Bye, Sameer. अच्छा ये दूसरा. Six students, why aren't they joining the class? Okay, no issue. I'm starting the today's topic. Wafa, please open video. Today we are doing pronouns. What are pronouns? Do you know it? Please raise the hand. Ayan with Logan with his brother named Samina. Okay, I got it now. Ayan was. Ayan, open video. Ji Aisha with him. Very good. Speak up. Speak up, Aisha with him.
Teacher, pronouns are usually placed before noun.
No, my dear. Yes, Shamir, आप बताइए.
Teacher, it is replacement like teacher, she, he.
Very good, Shamir. Very good, very good. Ji Wafa, you tell bete what are pronouns?
Pronoun is a quality of noun.
Pronouns are?
Quality of noun.
No. Ji Zainab.
Pronouns are used instead of noun.
Very good, Zainab. Very clear definition. Very good. Anyone else want to speak? Kirat bete, Aima, do you wish to speak up bete? Do you wish to share what are pronouns? Okay, I'm starting in today's topic bete. Pronouns. Pronouns we use in place of noun. For example, if I'm writing a paragraph about Ali, about any student whose name is Ali, so when I'll be writing the second sentence, I will use pronoun. For example, I'm saying Ali is a student of year 6. Now, in the next sentence, I will use he is a good student. So he is in place of Ali. I'm using in the second sentence. Clear it? So where do we? How do we use in place of or instead of noun? Very good, Zainab. So everyone, please write it. Write this lecture in your language copy. The second grammar topic is pronouns. It's also mentioned in the book of yours, page number 16. We will study it furthermore in the next lecture. What are kinds, what are different types. But today we will study what are subject and object pronoun and what are first and second and third person. Today we will study this. I want you to start writing the lecture, please. I'm also continuing it more. Write in the same manner as I am writing the lecture, beta. You know what are first person pronoun? For example, I am speaking. So I is a first person because I am speaking. To whom I am speaking? The person who is the next one. He is second person. And about whom, जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही होती है, वो third person होता है. I hope I am clear. The person who is speaking are first person. To whom I am speaking, those are second person. The first person are the speaker. Second person pronouns to whom I am speaking to or I am being spoken to. Third person, whom I am speaking about, जिनके बारे में बात की जा रही होती है. Now, what are subject pronoun and object pronoun? When we do an action, like he is playing. So over here, he is a subject pronoun because he is doing an action. And the object pronoun experience it. Fine. For example, I am giving a gift to him. So who is receiving the gift? The person, him, is receiving the gift, no? So that is, him is the object pronoun. Subject pronoun, do actions. Do the action. जो काम कर रहा होता है, ठीक है. An object pronoun, experience it. Beta, please be punctual. Try not to join the class too late. So pen down in the same manner as I am doing, dear. The thing that are bold, you have to write with black pointer. Again, I'm repeating headings. What are underlined and bold? The whole you will write with black pointer. Definition. This you will be writing with pencil. Look at that. I selected. This you will write with pencil because it's lecture. If you have written with the blue pointer as well, it's completely fine. ठीक है बेटे? The example as well, you have to write completely with pencil or you wish to write with blue pointer, it's up to you. Everything that are bold, you have to write with the black pointer. And this you have to write with pencil or the blue pointer. I hope I am clear to everyone. I mark it, let me make more easy for you. Now I have changed the color to make you understand which color you have to use here. ठीक है dear? Because you often get confused about it. Which color you have to use now? Now I use it. Change the text color to help you more. This is the fair work. So please do in the fair copy. I hope now everything is clear to everyone now. Which color we have to use, how you should write it. Ji, Zainab ask the question, bete. Zainab, unmute yourself. Shamir, unmute yourself.
टीचर मैंने तो कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा.
You raise the hand now. जी Shamir, bete.
मेरा भी पहले वाला होगा. मैंने lower hand
But you raised the hand, and that's why I am asking you. Do you wish to ask the question?
teacher.
Yes, Fahad. Bete try to use Zoom option. ना पूछें बेटे Fahad. Fahad, I did not restrict anyone. Please unmute yourself. Unmute. Bete, I did unmute you.
तो ये जो नीचे वाला है ना इसको थोड़ा सा प्लीज नीचे कर दे. वो नीचे है.
Okay, I am scrolling down now. Clear it? Now I scroll down. Pen down the complete lecture. Now exercise B you will be doing in book. You will answer me. I am going home to change my clothes. So what is I in the sentence? First person, second person, or third person? Who will tell? After writing lecture, come on, do exercise B with me. Have you done, everyone? Have you done? Done, everyone? Aurelia, done? Did you understand? Okay, again I'm sharing it. But we have to complete exercise B as well in the book. Quickly do out. Kirat bete, did you understand? Kirat bete, Huzaifa, Ayan, did you understand bete? Bete, did you understand? Samir, you got it? Ayan, Samir, Huzaifa. Bete, did you all understand? Please thumbs up. Aima, bete, do let me know. Please speak up so that I can get it. You are getting the topic. Very good, Aliyama. Thank you. Very good, Aurelia. Okay. So you understood the topic. Ba, did you get it? Done? Done? Now open page 16, exercise B we will do in book. Page 16, exercise B we will do in book.
Teacher with pencil.
G with pencil. Always use pencil in the book. Now tell me, G bete. First person, second person, third person are clear? What is first person, second person, third person? What are subject pronoun? What are object pronoun? Clear? Again, I'm repeating it. The person who is speaking or they are a speaker, those are first person. जो बात कर रहा होता है ना, for example, I am speaking. So मैं speaker हूँ. तो मैं क्या हूँ? First person. To whom I am speaking, जिनसे मैं बात कर रही हूँ, वो है second person. और मैं जिस चीज के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ ना, about whom I am speaking, they are third person. ठीक है? मैं स्पीकर हूँ, आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, आप सेकंड पर्सन है, और जिसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ वो थर्ड पर्सन है. क्लियर? स्पीकर जो हु इज स्पीकिंग और हु इज डूइंग एक्शन, ठीक है, वो सब्जेक्ट होता है जो एक्शन कर रहा है. एंड हु इज स्पीकिंग, शी इज स्पीकिंग. तो शी क्या है? सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन, क्योंकि वो बात कर रही है. शी इज कुकिंग, तो सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन है शी, क्यों? वो काम कर रही है. शी इज डूइंग एक्शन. ठीक है? और नाउ व्हाट इज ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन? अब जो एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा, फॉर एग्जांपल, यू विल गिव योर कॉपी टू हर टू चेक. सो यहां पर हर जो है ना, HER, इट्स ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन. ठीक है ना? फ्यू प्रोनाउन होते हैं जो पजेसिव होते हैं, जो बिलोंगिंग शो करते हैं. जो पजेसिव प्रोनाउन वो आपकी, when you will study about the types of pronoun, you will study about it. What are possessive, what are reflexive. ठीक है? possessive होते हैं mine, my pencil, these all are. ठीक है ना? yours, these all are. yours pen, ours house, these all are possessive. ये आपकी ownership define करते हैं, या आपकी मलकियत जाहिर करते हैं. possessive, those are called possessive because it has a link with possession. ठीक है? और रिफ्लेक्सिव कौन से होते हैं? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, योर सेल्फ, आवर सेल्फ, माई सेल्फ, दीज ऑल आर रिफ्लेक्सिव. So kindly open page number 16, exercise B. Here you have to tell me what are first person, second person and third person pronoun. Types of pronoun we will study more in the second class. We'll continue it more. So kindly, beta, who will tell the answer of A? I am going home to change my clothes. G or Ilya? Is subject pronoun or object pronoun? बताइए बेटे. I am going to home to change my clothes. Speak up बेटे. इस सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन है, ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन है? Tell me answer. और एलिया, tell me answer बेटे quickly.
मिस, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Bete or Elia, you never gave the answer of the questions, Bete. In any class, I did not find you giving the answer of the question. G. Now you are getting it. जी और एलिया बेटे, आपको एक्सरसाइज समझ में आई बेटे? Okay, Ji Ali Ahmed, answer me.
Teacher, it is objective pronoun.
Very good. Okay, Zainab, tell me the second one. Everyone, please write in bracket. After the sentence, write in bracket in the book. Beta, I want everyone take part in the class, please. You should practice. We are doing exercise B in book. I'm directly write answer over here, which Ali Ahmed told us. Now, Zainab, tell me the second one, beta.
Teacher object.
Okay. It's object pronoun, but it's first person, second person, third person.
Third.
Very good. Write over there. Everyone, please write in the manner. Because they are going the wrong way. This is third person, not the object one. These all are subject.
Miss ये
They
काम
is
book
also
में ही
the
कर रहे
subject,
हैं ना?
beta. Because they third person है, but it's a subject. बेटे no matter you are doing mistake, but at least you can practice और लिया बेटे क्लास में प्रैक्टिस किया करें एक साथ बेटे. We learn from our mistakes. Right in this manner after a sentence. Okay. What is C? We spend we is also first person, but it is a plural one. Who will tell about C and D? Raise hand. It is subject, object, or first, or second, or third. Who will tell? Aisha, you tell with him. Okay, Kirat, you will tell the third one. Kirat, आप फोर बता दीजिएगा. Now, Aisha, आप बताएं with him. What is C? We spend lunch break playing football. What is C? बताएं बेटे आयशा. C is also subjective pronoun and it is first person. Will you try to practice, everyone? Ji Kirat, tell me answer of the last one. Answer bete. What is D? Speak up, Kirat.
Teacher,
You take 2 kilograms of flour and add to 10 liters of water. What is What is you? Subjective pronoun or objective pronoun? First person, second person, third person. What is this?
break time में क्या कौन खाना लेगा?
बताएं बेटे. Who will tell answer of the last one? जी अली आप बताएं बेटे. Tell me answer of the last one बेटे. What is you? You take 2 kilograms of flour. Tell answer बेटे अली. बताइए बेटे. First person, second person, third person.
Last one name is
जी बेटे.
Miss. It is second person.
Very good, Ali Ahmed. Excellent job. It is subjective pronoun or objective one? Excellent job, Ali. I want everyone take part in the same manner as Ali is giving the answer. Excellent job, Ali Ahmed. So is also subjective
Yes, it
pronoun
is, and it is object.
and it's second person. Very good answer, beta. Everyone write in the book.
Then Miss.
Finished it today's lecture. Your assignment is, inshallah, tomorrow I'll be taking the literature test, oral test of the Canterville Ghost. That is your homework, the first test of literature. Tomorrow we'll be having it. I have given you to read. I hope you all have read it. So I will take a test tomorrow to check you all that you are reading or not. Do you wish to ask any question, anyone? After a few minutes, the class will be ended. So quickly as written. Do make index. Now we will do inshallah.
टीचर
जी बेटे.
आपने 4, 5, 6 के बाद पेजेस नहीं भेजे.
Yes, bete, I had shifted the home now. My book, I'm not able to find my book. So I'm finding my book. Inshallah, when I'll be getting up, I will share all the pages to you all. If any student is having the Canterville Ghost, please share all the storybook pages with me. Anyone have the Canterville Ghost? Who is having the book, The Canterville Ghost? Okay. Samir and Aisha, you both are having. So Aisha, beta, you can share with me all the pages, the clear one. Thank you, Samir, beta. You can complete the work, beta. Thank you. Fahad, you as well. Thank you, beta. Any question you wish to ask? Today's topic is clear to everyone?
Yes.
So now you're having the second block of science, I think. Isn't it?
Yes.
After 5 minutes, you are having a block with Miss Javeria. So before the blog, you should take out the science book, journal, everything, the workbook and book, and get ready. I'm giving you time. Yes, Fahad wish to ask something. जी Fahad. जल्दी से पूछ ले.
पूछने का आपने पहले मैंने आपको पिक्चर भेजी थी पेंसिल से, आप कॉपी में लिख के क्वेश्चन आंसर वो क्या मैं शेयर कर सकता हूँ पेंसिल से?
I did not get the single thing, बेटे. You speak very quickly. इतना जल्दी जल्दी बोला आपने, क्या बोला?
मैं तो आपसे ये पूछ रही कि आप मैंने तो आपको कल पिक्चर भेजी थी वो पेंसिल से लिख के.
Don't fear it. No,
वो क्या मैं
no, because in several places you use capital letters where you don't need to use. I have shared Zainab's work with you now. Do in that manner. In between, don't use capital letter. ठीक है फहद बेटे? So you can leave right now. If you have any question, you can ask. पूछिए बेटे.
तुम्हें इस वक्त दोबारा भेजने हैं हमें पिक्चर?
जी आप मुझे फेयर नहीं करेंगे. You should do with pencil in the copy. Show me with for correction and then do it.
ओके
The
मैं
class will end after 2 minutes. You can take rest and go and have something. And after 5 minutes, join Miss Javeria's class. Fine. I cannot sign out because I have time till 8:55. But I'm giving 3-4 minutes to you all to take a break and then join Miss Javeria's class. Allah Hafiz. See you, bete. Allah Hafiz. Drink water. Take a break. Yes, Vlad, you also can leave, bete. Thank you.